on to the next session, that is next topic, which is post-dated check. How do we do post-dated check in Tally? Now, post-dated check has become a premium part of every business, wherein the payments or receipts happen mostly through a post-dated check, probably which is a standard period of 1 month to 3 months. Now, assuming that I have to make on 31st, I have to make a payment to my customer for a particular check or for a particular bill for say 10,000 dirhams on say 30th of April. So I will go into payment. I will change the date into 30 April. I will select the bank. Now here, before I save the transaction, I have an option here for post dated. On the right hand side, the third option from the bottom, you see there's an option called post dated. I will simply click on this button and the system will enable the transaction as post dated. I will select my party, say Zing Computers, for 10,000 against which particular invoice, and I will select my check details. So the instrument date will be 30th April. The PDCA will be issued on a particular date, assuming today's date is 19th April, and I can have a PDC note as well. Once you save this transaction, though your current date is 30th April and your last date of entry will still remain 31st of March. So when you go back to 31st of March, you can go into your banking post-dated summary. You can select which particular bank you are talking about, and then you can see what are the checks issued against that particular bank and in which of these month. Similarly, for the receipt as well, assuming that we are going to receive money for a particular date, say 15th of May, I can select receipt, post dated, select the bank, select my customer, provide the value, select reference. Similar to how we provided for purchase, we will be providing for sales as well, for the receipt as well, similar to payment. We can select which bank check have they provided us. And you can save the transaction. Now, the same transaction will also appear in the post-dated summary for RAC Bank under that particular month. Similarly, what you see here is the total amount of checks receivable and the count of checks. So with this way, you can always manage each and every of your receivables as well as payables on time. And you can ensure that within a particular month, you can go deposit all the checks that you have received from your customer, and also ensure that your bank has enough funds when you have already provided some EDC checks to your suppliers. So with this, it is very simple and easy to manage your post-dated checks or your post-dated transactions. So I would look forward to any questions on the same.